Hey there, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 separate ways to turn on or to turn off noise canceling on your AirPods. Now I have my AirPods Pros here, and I'm going to show you those different options depending on whether those AirPods are in your ear or you wanted to physically do it on your iPhone instead. So let's jump right in. So the first step is to put both of the AirPods in your ear. At the bottom or the base of their AirPods, there's a little force sensor. If you press and hold on that force sensor, you will hear a little chime in your ear, indicating it is either turned on or turned off noise canceling. But just to check and make sure, you can also do this in your iPhone. So the first way to do it is to take your finger and swipe down from the top right. Find the little volume icon, and it should have the AirPods right next to it. Press and hold on the volume. Tap on listening mode at the bottom left, and tap on noise cancellation. Of course, you can choose transparency as well. And now you've enabled noise canceling. You can also tap it on off to disable it. A third option is if you don't see the AirPod symbol in the volume slider. The next option is to tap on the settings app of your iPhone. Let me go back. Tap on your AirPods when they show up at the top. You might need to open up the AirPods case for them to show up. And there is listening mode. You can switch it from off to transparency or noise cancellation. And of course, you can turn it off by tapping off. Now, if pressing and holding on your AirPod base does not enable or disable noise cancellation, you can see press and hold AirPods. You can set both the left and the right to switch from being off to noise cancellation. So if these are unchecked, make sure off and noise cancellation is checked. And at the top, listening mode is also checked. You can do the same thing for the left or right AirPods, depending on your preference. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.